Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to reveal you guys a way to make 247 greenbacks on Clickbank, gifting away merchandise for free. So you're going to present away merchandise from Clickbank and you are going to earn money. So I am going to show you guys step by step how to try this, so make sure to observe this video until stop. And also guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos in this channel on the way to make cash online, the way to make cash on Clickbank, so you do not need to overlook that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So man, initially what you want to do is you want to head on Clickbank comment if you don't have account. In case you already don't have or rely, make sure to create one. So just proper right here within the right corner, click on create account, and in just few seconds you could create your free account. It is 100 free. Just enter all the records that they're asking you for. Thus, while you're performed with that, what you wanted to do is you need to click on affiliate marketplace. So proper right here you can pick out from one of a kind categories. You could pick out from SA art and enjoyment as seen on television, batting and enterprise, making and investment, internet games, fitness and health, self-assist, such a lot of many different products. So what you need to do proper right here is you want to write an outline products, right? Give it away. So right here you could see make cash, giving freely our books. So whilst you provide away this ebook, you may earn a few cash from it. So proper here, that is virtually popular product. So we are giving away this tea blouse. You could earn on common. Now here you see on average 300 ants. So proper right here you could see for giving away this tea blouse on Clickbank you could earn right here. Preliminary sale is $9 greenbacks, sorry, and 12 cents, and power invoice for this product is $88.96. So I need to give an explanation for you, man, what this means. So while you deliver away this product, it is probably for free, right? Here you can see it's far at no cost. Get this tea blouse totally free when a person clicks on order proper. Here they're going to move in test out page, and right here we will see this product is unfastened, but shipping and coping with is $9.95. So this is surely vital, men. So how are we making cash from these giveaways? So for doing your way this tea blouse, you are going to get $9.95 due to the fact for delivery, not sincerely for the rate of the product. So you're going to earn this $9.95, and after that, due to the fact you supply away this t-shirt, they are going to preserve the email of the patron that bought this product, and they may be going to ship them some other products, and if they're interested in that those products, you're going to earn commissions additionally on that. So this is where this common your invoice comes from. So people stay with this product for a lengthy time frame, and on common according to client you could earn 88 cents and $988.97.96. So if you, in case you calculate $80.96 plus those $9.12, that is round one nearly. Now I am no longer going to say it is $100, but let's assume $98 benefit from one client. So for younger away this t-shirt you can earn as much as $96 on common, in line with client. That is truly crazy, guys. So you may select, there are tons of extraordinary merchandise that you may deliver away, and I was giving away this product right here. So I have mentioned this earlier. Then proper right here we can see preliminary sale is $3.17. So meaning delivery and handling is around 3. However, people live for a protracted time frame with this product, so you can earn from those commissions which might be coming with electronic mail marketing and different stuff. You could earn 211. So if you calculate that simply from gifting away this unfastened knife, you could earn $211. That is honestly loopy. So those landing pages, I really like them due to the fact that is a few sort of drop transport. You've got already heard about drop shipping in case you are on YouTube. So basically get your free credit scorecard knife you could see worth $70, 17.95. However, it is yours totally free. So this is advertising strategy that people are going to peer, and they may be going to suppose that this knife is free of charge, but genuinely they're paying the rate through transport. So while you click on declare your free credit card knife, you are going to see this page. Simply once a con, you'll see this page that says the fee of the product is $0, but shipping and handling is $4.95. So Basically, how are we making this cash? We're making money by means of giving stuff away. And also you can cross and you or not. Certainly you, however, the purchaser can click on yes, I would like one more knife for 9.95 and you're still going to earn 75 commission on the ones, $9.95. So this is a simply splendid manner to do advertising due to the fact you could supply away loose stuff and that way make cash. So how are we going to sell these merchandise? Because we need to goal people that are interested by unfastened stuff. So all and sundry typically likes loose stuff, but we need to target human beings that might virtually revel into get these unfastened stuff and they would pay for delivery and dealing with. So first of all, what want to do is you want to click on permits. Say we're going to promote this knife, credit card knife. So let's say we are going to promote this product. So what you need to do is you need to click on promote right here, and also you want to go into your affiliate identity proper right here. So make positive to enter it, click on generate hot hyperlink. In subsequent factor, what you need to do is you want to copy this affiliate hyperlink right here, and what you need to do is you want to head on tiny URL and you want to stick your associate link proper right here, because we need to make it a touch bit shorter. We do not need to make it appearance ugly. So make a click on right here on make tiny URL and replica this URL proper here. So subsequent aspect that we need to do is we want to head on Twitter. So we aren't going to sell it on Twitter, but there is a cause why we want to publish it on Twitter, and I am going to provide an explanation for you. So to begin with, what you need to click on is tweet proper right here, paste your associate hyperlink, and you need to write something you may cross and write something we're giving freely this credit score card knife. So let's write that we're freely giving this, click right here to assert one, and we need to publish tweet. So the subsequent issue that we need to do is we want to go on Reddit. So how are we going to promote our free stuff on Reddit? So we can't really direct hyperlink our associate hyperlink, so we can't put up affiliate link at once on Reddit. So this is why we are doing it through Twitter. So what are we going to do now? So we are going to look for freebies on Reddit, and proper here you may see those freebies. Group has 0 people, 0 contributors, and this each person are interested by unfastened stops. So I wanted to reveal you guys examples. You could see there are tons of distinctive hyperlinks without cost stuff. So you can see right here, in case you click in this link right here, you may get a free massive max. So the subsequent aspect that we wanted to do, let's look for this proper here link allows, click on it so that you can see you could get this once more, get or unfastened free something I do not even recognize what it is. So what we wanted to do now is we need to put up our dam. So we need to submit this link proper here. We want to copy the link of our Reddit put up, and we want to click directly to create our own submit so that you can pause and create the identical submit as this. And you want to mention, like, if you want to get loose 9 loose credit score card knife, you can click right here. You are going to send them to this Twitter put up, and right here when they click on your associate hyperlink, you'll send them to this web page where when someone buys the product you can earn commission. So this is certainly clean way to do advertising and marketing due to the fact lots of human beings are interested by unfastened stuff in those organizations. So people observe those 3 beasts because they need to get loose stuff. So this is the entire point. You may see what is this network approximately. We adore free stuff, unfastened, unnecessary fun stuff, t-shirts and food stickers, free activities, magazines, something at no cost. So you're giving away, you may move and sell other products. No longer just this one. You may see that they love loose t-shirts, so that you can also sell this t-shirt proper here. So that is certainly easy manner, as I said, to do advertising due to the fact you are getting loose visitors to your affiliate hyperlink. You are sending them to those free stuff they are buying. Delivery, they may be staying on email list, and it's miles by using the Destiny merchandise. You are nevertheless going to earn fee on that. So that would be it for ultra modern video man. If you need to see more movies like this,